MS Excel MCQ Part 3. 01. MS Excel stands for A. Microsoft Excel, B. Micromarks Excel, C. Microsoft Access, D. Management Excel. 02. MS Excel is 1. Windows-based word processor package, 2. Windows-based spreadsheet package, 3. DOS-based spreadsheet package, 4. None of the above. 03. A collection of worksheets is called A. Workbook, B. Excel book, C. Excel sheet, D. None of these. 04. When was the first version of MS Excel released? A. 1985, B. 1991, C. 1995, D. 1998. 05. What we have to type in the Run dialog box to open Microsoft Excel? A. Excel, B. MS Excel, C. Microsoft Excel, D. None of the above. 06. How many sheets are there in Excel workbook by default? A. 5, B. 3, C. 2, D. 1. 07. Which of the following is a popular DOS-based spreadsheet package? A. Excel, B. Smart Cell, C. Lotus 1-2-3, D. None of these. 08. What is the file extension of Lotus 1-2-3? 1. .doc, 2. .wk1, 3. .xls, 4. .123. 09. Which of the following is the oldest spreadsheet package? A. Lotus 1-2-3, B. StarCalc, C. VisiCalc, D. Excel. 10. VisiCalc is a program developed by A. Charles Hawkins, B. Steve McNeon, C. Opera Helen, D. Dan Bricklin. 11. In which year VisiCalc was developed? A. 1977, B. 1979, C. 1986, D. 1989. 12. In Excel, rows are labeled as A. 1, 2, 3, B. I2, 3, C. A, B, C, D. A, 1, B1, C1. 13. In Excel, columns are labeled as A. 1, 2, 3, B. I2, 3, C. A, B, C, D. A, 1, B1, C1. 14. In Excel, cells are labeled as A. 1, 2, 3, B. I2, 3, C. A, B, C, D. A, 1, B1, C1. 15. In Excel, to create a new workbook, shortcut keys is A. Fn and N, B. Alt and N, C. Control and N, D. Tab and N.